What are you talking about? Touching yourself, Scotty?
Shh.
Hey, wait a minute.
Hey, Danny. It's been a while. How are you, buddy?
I think
I went with every wheel, and just
a little bit of
just
adjustment.
enough that you can feel it's touching on all four wheels. So we know the fronts are supposed to lock up, and the rears are supposed to stay just kind of rolling.
Yeah, and the fronts didn't lock when I drove it
Well,
the other day. And Nick drove it too, and he felt exactly the same feeling.
Driver's side was kind of really out of whack. It is what it is. It can take forever to adjust them.
And we adjusted them too when we put the new shoes on, but
yeah,
you know.
It happens. It's all part of drum brakes. So all four wheels got done. I started with the driver's side front, passenger side front, driver's side rear, passenger side rear. Opposite of what you would normally do to bleed them.
Yeah.
So
everything's been checked and handled. I'm going to take this on a test drive here in a few minutes, but we kind of can't get out at the moment.
yeah,
That's pretty alpha.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, what a beauty. What a beauty.
I wonder if that's a 1500.
But I don't know. I like it no matter what. So,
Yeah.
Anyway.
But
So I'm going to go on another test drive, Danny, and then hopefully I'll be calling you momentarily and tell you, come get her!
get her done, baby. Get her done.
All right.
So I'm going to do a quick touch up on a few spots.
Yes, sir. And get the car down.
Yep.
And then once it's free and clear, I'll go for a drive. Thank you, Scotty.
You're welcome.
Right, back in action here, out for a test drive. Just coming out of the driveway, the brakes felt better. Ooh, that feels really good. Let's see how she is. Alright, been on the test drive. I think so far so good. I like to go down to this road where nobody's really at, so I can actually test things. It's been incredible. Just so nice. There we go. Just kissed it and got him to lock. That's exactly what we wanted. Because before, it wasn't doing that. Remember back to the previous video. So, it's good. I like it. It seems happy.